Morning students, welcome back to our channel. Yes, in our previous class we just saw uh, about that beggar. Beggar was shaking because of you know he's supposed to go out. You know, on that road it was totally very heat. It's like a terrible afternoon. Yes, already he had got blisters and they were also peeling blisters, right? So let's see what happens. Yes, he when he started to go out from there, Meena said, he needs something on his feet. Her eyes filling. When he was going so painfully, Meena said her eyes were full of tears. Her big eyes filling means fear. He needs something on his feet. It's not fair. Shh, said Ravi. What Ravi said? Shh. Okay. Yes, Ravi said, I am thinking about it. Blubbering, it's not fair. It's not fair. It isn't good to help. Right? So Ravi was saying, it's not fair. It's not fair. He was blubbering. In a slow voice, he was saying, in a sad voice, he was saying, in 2 minutes, he will be frying. He will be frying his feet on the road. Within 2 minutes, what happens? If he goes like this, his feet will definitely fry. And what he needs is a pair of chappals. So where do we get them? Yes, what he need now is a pair of chappals, right? So what we can do now? How we can help him? Come, let's search the house. He pushed Mridu and Meena into the house. So Ravi, what he said, okay, let's go and search the chapels for him. Yes, and just he pushed Mridu and Meena, it means sent, into the house. Yes, just as they stepped into the veranda, yes, when they just went into the veranda, Mridu's eyes fell on the odd looking shabby. Odd looking means what? Shabby. Odd looking chappals she had noticed when she arrived. When she came there, just her eyes fell on the chappals, which were not looking good. Ravi, she whispered to him. Whispered means said in a low voice or a slow voice. Whose are those? Whose are those chappals? Right? Ravi turned and glanced at the shabby looking, bad looking, but sturdy old slippers. Sturdy means what? Strong. They were looking very bad, no problem, but they were still strong and built solidly they were built, right? Then he beamed and nodded. He beamed means he just looked and he just nodded means what? He shook his head. These are just the right size to him, he said. Picking them up, Mridu and Meena followed him nervously back into the garden. Yes, they have taken that slippers, music master slippers, and quickly went back to the garden. Right? Then here, said Ravi to the beggar. Yes, the beggar was going, just called here, like dropping the slipper in front of the old man. Wear these and don't come back. He just threw that slipper or chappals in front of him and told him, don't come back to our home again. Right? The beggar stared at the slippers, hurriedly just he put the towel over his shoulder, pushed his feet into them and left, muttering means saying something in a low voice, muttering a blessing of to the children. He was just blessing for them because of they have given us chappals to him. In a minute he had vanished around the corner of the street. Vanished means he just went away, escaped, right? Okay, the music master came out of the house and looked an unappreciative look. Yes, he just appreciate means like, unappreciate means dislike. He just gave a dislike look at that three of them, that three, Mridu, Meena and Ravi, sitting quietly under the tree playing marbles. They were playing the marbles, right? Then he searched for his chappals in the veranda, where he had put them, where he put his, kept his slippers. Slippers. He was just searching them. Then he called. Music master called Lali. After a few moments, she hurried up to him. It means quickly she came there. Have you seen my chappals, my dear? That music master asked to Lali. Have you seen my chappals, dear? I remember having kept them here. I still remember I kept here only my chappals. Where are they? Did you see them? He just asked her. Okay. I hope you all have understood until this. We'll continue our the discussion of next paragraph in our next class. Thank you for watching this video. Before that, I have sent a weekly test question paper to you through the WhatsApp. I just want you to answer there. Yes, thank you for watching this video.